I'm gonna do some just little exam to check that. And that's, I think it's good because I did apply the condensed glue gels and no wet top goes really nicely. Can you hold this one? Twin tip brush. This brand new box, it's like fancy kits special for you. So then it's like it doesn't listen to me because the leads stay really nice and it's magnetic. So then when you close it down, it stay nice. Just imagine it. You have a really nice professional like container box in your stations, and it's means a lot and show a lot of how really cool and professional you really put in it and dedicate in this, and your client seeing that. Wow, because every time, great, so I'm gonna keep it for 60 seconds and this now will be done. I'm gonna check it right here too. And every time I get my orphans of organized for the crystal placements, but then I can't wait to show the clients this because that's how show them means a lot, and the passions and dedicate that you are investing in your business. And it's to give them so much excited to see you do a crystal placement when you bring the kids out and say, okay, I got it. It's just like, you know, so that's why they're willing to pay extra for your beautiful skill and beautiful designs and a lot of cool and a lot of good quality crystals. So I'm dying. We have so many phone calls from the clients or asking. We can't take any clients right now. It's me, I can't see any clients right now, but they can't wait to see what's new is gonna be going on. So thank you so much, Whitney. Yeah, so this is so awesome. Over $300 worth of products. You get your is 5G condensed glue gels, and also you get this beautiful Crystal Bestie precision glue. We decided to have that on it, so then you don't have to get the separate one. So you have one, you can have another one to be extras, because I love it how going to little tiny little beads in crystal. I can always touch it up anytime. And you have your crystal pickers. So this is all yours for you. That is special for anniversary. We are extended the sales because of all the overwhelming, and I know that some of you couldn't, so we have a lot of requests and overwhelming with the sales. So we would love to give back to our community by extending the sales, so then everybody get a chance to have a hands-on Glitz products.